Hello, I'm Artha Malhotra.
Hi everyone, this is I'm calling from California, and it's very nice to meet everybody. And thanks, Amul, for letting me be a part of this.
Hello, I'm Asha Malhotra from Delhi.
Hello.
Hello.
Once again, I would like to thank all the chefs, Amul, especially Chef Vimal, Chef Saurabh. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity.
Hi, I'm Nisha Barman here from Pune. Would like to say thank you to Chef Farah for inviting me.
Hello, I'm Asha Malhotra. I'm really thankful to Chef Vimal Dhar for inviting me. And Amul India, naturally, 1,000 years. Congratulations to all Amul team.
1,000
live videos.
Yes, 1,000.
Hi, Chef. This is Shikha Bachchan.
Hello. Hello.
इंदिरा जी बोलिए आप.
I'm Indra from Cochin. I have come here from invitation from Chef Anjali.
Hi, I'm Pooja. Thanks, Chef Weber, for inviting me, and congrats to Amul India.
Hello, I'm Veena. I'm on invitation from Bhavani Swaminathan. And first and foremost, congratulations to Amul Life for crossing 1,000 plus in a fantastic time of 16 weeks.
इंदिरा जी आप बोलिए.
We'll be raising toast at 11 a.m. sharp or after the session starts?
Ma'am, we'll be doing it a few minutes after the session starts, probably around 11:10.
Okay. Thank you so much. And special thanks to Mr. Manoj Chaudhary. He has conducted so many live sessions very well. I mean, it's nice. I mean, we have almost changed our cooking style. It's become in this virtual world. It's really great.
Hello.
Chef Kavita Bhavani. Thank you, Amul, for giving me the opportunity.
Hello. Hello, I'm Namita. Invitation by Chef Meenal Menon. And Chef Meenal Menon. I am big fan of her recipe. Chef Meenal Menon.
चश्मा तो दिखाओ. आईडी मीटिंग आईडी आई. बोला
Hello everyone, this is Divyani Prabhu. Thank you, Chef Vimal, for inviting us over. And I really like all the sessions that were held at Amul. All were really interesting, and we could learn a lot of new recipes, which we could try with all the innovations that all the chefs taught us. Thank you.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello everyone. I'm Suman West from Lucknow.
Pratham from Jalandhar. Thank you for this opportunity.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. I am Smita from Pune.
Hello everyone, I'm Chef Meenal Menon from Ahmedabad.
Hello, myself Kanchan Jain from Chandigarh. आवाज आ रही है?
Hello everyone, I am Kamini Desai from Ahmedabad.
Hi, I am Arshpreet Singh from Patiala, and I'm thankful to Chef Sanjay Thakur and Amul India.
Hello everyone. I'm Revati Rakesh. I'm from Varanasi. Thank you for amazing chef Sarthak Kochar for inviting me on Amul India, and many congrats to Amul on finishing 1,000 episodes. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम नव्या कौड़ा और मैं आज अमूल के इधर जूम पे लाइव हूँ, ज्वाइन किया हुआ है। तो मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि शेफ नीलू कौड़ा इज नॉट ओनली आई कैन से द बेस्ट शेफ, बट एक्चुअली वो मेरी मदर भी हैं। तो आई हैव सीन हर वर्किंग विद पैशन घर पे, और जितने भी उनके लाइव सेशंस अमूल पे आए हैं, एंड आई हैव सीन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस, एंड मैं होप करती हूँ कि उनका ये पैशन ऐसे ही बरकरार रहे और हमें भी हर रोज उनसे कुछ नया सीखने को मिले। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hello everyone, I'm Nihal Makhni from Amritsar, Punjab. I'm Maurya Menon from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I'm Muksha Dulwadi and I'm from Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Hello everyone, this is Supriya from Hyderabad. Thank you so much, Chef Vaibhav Arora, for teaching us so many amazing recipes, which has groomed us really well. Thank you so much.
This is from Kolkata. Thanks to Sarthak for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And I must say he is very talented and young. I have so many dishes and trying at my home. And looking forward for the great experience with Amul as well, for giving us such an opportunity to interact with the master chefs all over the world. Thank you, Amul. Thank you, Sarthak, for giving me this platform.
Hello everyone, I'm Mita Gupta from Punjab. I'm on invitation of Chef Kavita Bhavnani. She's a very, very, very good chef and very fond of her food, and her recipes are very delicious and healthy. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Lavneet Kaur from Jhansi.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Kanchan.
Okay, man.
Hello, guys. Hello,
You okay, man? Me like it.
can I stay?
Good
morning. सबसे पहले तो मैं अमूल को 1000 एपिसोड्स पूरे होने पर बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ, जो कि वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट लाइव रेसिपी शो साबित हुआ है। मेरे को ये लाइव सेशन अटेंड करके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। थैंक्स टू अमूल जिन्होंने इतने बड़े बड़े और इतने सारे शेफ से मिलने का हमें मौका दिया। मैं फैन तो सभी शेफ्स की हूँ, लेकिन जिन्होंने ये कुक टुगेदर लाइव सेशन का इनिशिएटिव स्टार्ट किया वो शेफ वरिंदर सिंह राणा जी हैं, जिनकी मैं बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ। भी तो मेरे को आंटी बोलते हैं, सभी बहुत रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, लेकिन इस चीज की शुरुआत का सारा श्रेय, सारा क्रेडिट वरिंदर सिंह राणा जी को ही जाता है। मेरे को उनका आटा पनीर वाला सेशन तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि उनकी रेसिपीज बहुत सिंपल होम रेसिपीज होती हैं। सभी लोग बहुत सिंपल तरीके से, सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट से बना सकते हैं। उनके साथ कुक करके बहुत मजा आता है और बहुत सारी लर्निंग भी मिलती है। इस कुक टुगेदर को बाद में सबने फॉलो किया। इसके अलावा मास्टर शेफ विजय लक्ष्मी जी की भी मैं बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ। पिछले 5-6 सालों में मैं इनके साथ अटैच्ड हूँ। इतने प्यार से सबको अपनी चीज सिखाई, अपनी रेसिपी सिखाई, वो काबिले तारीफ है। दैट इज इनक्रेडिबल, सुपर यम्मी ऑल्सो। पहले तो हम सिर्फ ऑनलाइन ही इंटरेक्ट करते थे शेफ्स के साथ, लेकिन अमूल के कारण ही हमें इन सब के साथ रूबरू होने का मौका मिला, बात करने का मौका मिला। शेफ विश्वदीप सिंह बाली जी, शेफ नेलू कौड़ा जी, शेफ देव, बहुत सारे जितने भी लाइव शेफ्स हुए, मैंने सबको ज्वाइन किया और सबके साथ मुझे कुक करके बहुत मजा आया। थैंक यू अमूल।
Hello everyone. Congratulations to Amul on a great achievement. It was a real good idea of Amul to put so many chefs together and share recipes of all the chefs. I am invited by the master chef Akshay Malhotra, and I'm a great fan of his innovative and creative recipes, and I'm sure those who have been following him would also have the same thing to say. Once again, congratulations Amul, and to Akshay Malhotra for being such an inspiration for people like me who did not rather indulge in cooking, but now have started doing so.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanupriya Kauda and I am a big fan of Chef Neelu Kauda, who happens to be my mother also. Being a non-cook, she has taught me everything from a basic dal to a sizzler. So I am a big fan of hers, and I hope I keep learning from her. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Yashvi Rathod and I'm a student of Chef Bimal Kumarikka, who is my culinary professor at NMIMS School of Hospitality. And talking about him is something I can talk the entire day, but to summarize, I would say he's one of the best chefs who has inspired me in my culinary profession, and he's someone I aspire to become like one once I grow up. Thank you so much.
Hello. Hi guys.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. I'm Chef Suman Vyas from Lucknow. मैं थैंक्स करना चाहती हूँ अनिल सर का और संगीता तो बोलायचं असेल तर काय और
Hello everyone. Thanks so much to the Amul team for having this opportunity for everyone. It's said that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, but I feel the way to everyone's heart is through Amul now, with the kind of initiative they have taken for everyone. My favorite chef on the show is Chef Bimal Sharma, who has made everyone, which was really amazing. People at home have got a lot of opportunities. There's various kind of dishes for everyone, and it was a great initiative which was taken by Amul. Thank you so much.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
I am Shilpa Bhatt, owner of Ecstasy Chocolate. Thank you to give me Amul this best and great opportunity. I am from Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello guys. Hello.
Hello. Hello, is there any host over there?
Hello. Hi there.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, is there a host to this meeting?
Hello. Nancy Vinze from Mumbai. And I first of all congratulate Amul India for completing 1,000.
Hi, big cheers to Amul for bringing the whole community and the nation together. All the best. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Chef Izzat
Hello.
Mysore.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Abhishek from Amul, and I welcome all of you to this celebration of 1,000 Facebook Live sessions, which we have some meeting, where we are celebrating 1,000 live sessions, which we completed yesterday on Facebook. This journey started on 17th of April, and I just wanted to show a small recap of what we have completed in this span of 116 days, eventually completing 1,000 sessions. So there was a clear objective to start this session, which was very clear to build a strong relationship between the chefs across hotels, restaurants, catering industry, and connect them with the consumers who are sitting at home because of the lockdown, and show them simple, interesting homemade recipes. So as I was sharing with all of you, we completed 1,000 sessions thanks to love and support from 2,000 chefs across the world. We were able to reach to about 766 million, that's almost 76 crore individuals on Facebook, and that love and support kept on increasing with every single day from about 50 plus countries. And in this, we were able to achieve this entire exercise in 116 days. The most simplest format that we had was the simple homemade recipe, which all of you were familiar with. We had 7 sessions during the day from 12 p.m. till 7 in the evening. This was followed by wherein every single chef showed from across the industry, across their skill sets and culinary styles, the simple dishes for all of us to relish. We were able to complete 756 sessions in this period of 116 days. The second format, which we saw a lot of promise, was the ice creams. How to make simple delicacies with using ice cream as one of the core ingredients. And these sessions used to run between 12:30 and 3:30 in the afternoon. And we completed 121 such sessions in this span of time. The most exciting format for us was of course, the midnight snacking, where we realized a lot of youngsters are active online, and what would be a good snacking to address their hunger pangs. And this format helped us to reach out to them and connect with them. And we completed 96 sessions in this period. Taking learning from all our from chefs and taking their feedback, we thought, how about making a lot of people cook together? And in this format, we came up with the Cook with the Chef, where we at 11 a.m. on select days, we were able to bring in chefs from the Hotel Management Institutes, home chefs, along with other chefs to cook to dish. And we completed 17 such sessions. A notable feedback I would like to share is of Chef Varinder Singh Rana, wherein we have attempted for a Limca record and also attempting a Guinness, where 977 chefs cooked together and made a simple dish. This was done on the 14th of June 2020. Subsequently, we also had Battle with the Chef, wherein the president of World Chefs Association, Chef Thomas Gugler, he came together and invited 66 chefs, and they all cooked battle with each other, with the same ingredient. They all made different dishes. It was a battle of chefs. And subsequently, the love and support that we have been receiving on the mainland page, we were able to extend it to our Amul's Tamil Nadu page, and we have completed about 10 such sessions already. and we are going to soon start in the Middle East as well, and in other Indian languages. To give a scale of what the numbers were for some of our chefs, almost the kind of reach and the love and the views of these sessions were in millions. And I'm just sharing some of these chefs and their the reach of their videos which we were able to achieve in this span of time. And of course, the love from viewers across the world was there. We were able to reach about 70 million viewers in India alone, followed by viewers from USA, Canada, Kuwait, Pakistan, 5 lakh, 3 lakh, and even from countries where Amul is not actually present. But the love for Amul and for cooking and for our chefs came in from all your fans, and we are thankful to all of them. Even in India, we were able to reach in millions to customers in major big cities as well as tier 1 towns across the country. So we thank you all for this support. In this process, we were able to over these 1,000 sessions that we have had, we were able to generate about 50,000 minutes of original content live, almost like a TV show if you were to give an example, and reach to 766 million viewers on Facebook, with an average daily reach of about 7.7 million viewers through this period. So a big thanks to all the fans for having helped us make this the largest live recipe show in the world. We couldn't have done anything without you. So we are here today to celebrate this occasion with all of you. And I thank you one and all sincerely. Thank you. As next, I would now request our Chief Operating Officer, Shri K.M. Jhala, to welcome the gathering.
Mike Najib Mukhya.
Okay. Dear chefs and our fans of the recipe show, let me first of all welcome each one of you on behalf of Amul Federation and thank each one of you for making this initiative such a great success. As Abhishek said, when we started, we never had any inclination that this one trickle would become such a huge ocean of love and affection that each one of you have showered on us. In this rather depressing times of COVID and lockdowns, it is only these recipes and simple homemade recipes that you prepared and our fans also joined that gave a light of hope and excitement to this depressing times. So I would like to thank each one of you and hope that this love, the bridge of love and affection that we have built will continue. In fact, as an organization, we were also surprised to see what different exciting uses that our products can be put to. I mean, the kind of imaginations that the chefs and the master chefs have fired is something which will also give my marketing team a lot of work and a lot of thought to work on. So thank you, each one of you, and God bless all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Now, I would request everyone, as we join together in celebrating this event by raising a glass of milk.
Well, when we raise a glass of milk, I hope each one of you is aware that this is the world's original energy drink.
Yeah.
The world's original energy drink. So raise a toast to this drink. So each one of you. And let's do bottoms up.
Yeah.
Smita, let's do bottoms up.
चलिए बॉटम करना तो ज्यादा मुश्किल
है। मैं थोड़ी करूँ, मैं तो कहने वाला।
टेस्टी है।
शुगर डाला है?
अच्छा किया। पिएंगे।
Good, Priya ji, very good. Keep it up, Priya. Keep it up. Finish it.
हाँ जी चलिए.
Yeah, Dipti ji, I can see you. Finish it.
हाँ मजा आ गया यार, बड़ा दिनों बाद तू.
Good. Thank you one and all for your support and joining us in our celebrations. Now I request Dr. R.S. Sodhi, Managing Director of Amul, to address the gathering.
Good morning, my dear all the chefs from all the world, and millions of our from also from all the world, and really this session starting with the milk has really made it very, very energetic. Well, like my colleague Mr. Jhala mentioned, when we started up this session on 17th of April, we never believed, I mean, not an iota of idea that this creative online event can be a world record in live show. जैसे कहते हैं कि हिंदी में कि सब लोग जुटते गया कारवां बनता गया, so as the thing progressed, we saw lot of interest from the chefs, from the fans, and everybody was so much involved in this. And I really thank my all the colleagues and the Facebook and other chefs who really come out with this brilliant idea, which has made everybody, I mean, really has realized the importance of good creative food. I mean, earlier we were generally thinking that recipe making is or the main very, very skill only expert can do it. But I'm thankful to around more than 2,000 chefs who had participated, who had generated lot of creativity in making good, tasty food, and also given us the confidence that this skill of making good, presentable food, we can also learn. I mean, otherwise we think it is not my cup of tea, only few people can do it. And also it has given confidence to Amul and everybody that how much interest average Indian average household, even youngsters have got in looking into their skills and upgrading skills in cooking or making good recipes. And I think this is the one, whether you call it a hobby or a skill, every one of us will like to have it irrespective of our age. And I'm thankful to everybody, especially our 2,000 chefs who have created such a brilliant show for everybody of us. And last 116 days, we have really created a record. Never in the history of any live event, more than 750 million viewers any event has got. And it's a brilliant creativity which all of us have done it. So thank you very much and wishing you all the best.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Now, we would like to invite our fans who have joined us today, and we would like to hear their experiences regarding this Facebook Live session. To begin with, because this is for the first time that we are engaging and getting an opportunity to actually listen firsthand from all our fans. So I request Ms. Tulika Khargoria from Hyderabad to speak first. She is a fan of, she's regularly following sessions of Chef Ivy Boyce.
2 minutes.
Yeah. We request you to kindly share feedback in about 2 minutes.
Yes, Tulika, please.
Okay.
Please.
Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Tulika. And, the cooking started with the lockdown. As we were all stuck at home and nothing to do, so we started scrolling the internet, and we found recipes. Then the Amul live session started, and that is how I saw Chef Ivy Boyce also there with her apple farfalle. It is, and the recipe is so the ingredients are easily you can get it at home. So and so it really interested me. So in that way, I always looked forward for all the other live Amul live. And thank you so much for having me and for associating me here. It is such a honor to be in a live a Zoom call with all the chefs from around the world. And now I have started following Ivy's YouTube channel as well. So the best thing about her is that she will use the ingredients that are easily you can find it at home, in the pantry at home. You just don't have to go and rush to the supermarket to get the ingredients. So, and it's easy for an amateur cook like me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you. Good day, everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Tulika. Now we go to Ms. Sanjukta Bhattacharjee from Coimbatore.
Hi, a very good morning to everyone, and it's really nice to. I would congratulate Amul for this great engagement that was done during lockdown. And personally, I also got connected and started watching the Facebook live sessions of Amul, and I feel privileged. I am being invited by Chef Aparna Kolarkar, and personally, I felt that. Though I have watched few of the shows, I felt that she was very engaging. The way of connect was very personalized, just like you are being taught by your mother how to cook. And the best part of ma'am was like she could connect very well, and even the way she mentioned that if things are not going as per the recipe, this is the way you correct it. So thank you, Chef Aparna. And also I would take this opportunity. It was great to see my own batchmate, Chef Tarun from IHM Pusa, who was a part of this show, and my junior, Brijesh. So it was a very engaging session, and congratulations, Amul. Thank you, Chef Aparna. You made me take interest in cooking. I mean, for me, cooking was not that interesting, but yes, with Amul and with Chef Aparna and few of the other chefs, I could really gather an interest in this lockdown time to cook and develop a passion and interest towards it. Thanks once again.
Thank you, Ms. Sanjukta. Now we meet Ms. Shweta Jain from Kolkata.
Hello, everybody. Good morning. This is Shweta Jain from Kolkata. Thank you, Amul, for giving me this platform to speak today. I have participated in many of the cook-alongs over here, and I have loved each session. Not only the cook-alongs, but everything that was there, which Amul has created for us. Amul is an integral part of every human being's life. I can say that. I can vouch on it. It is really important to thank Ms. Aparna Kolarkar ma'am and Mrs. Anjali Ramaswamy chef, who both gave me the opportunity to speak for them on this live session. During this global pandemic, when we were not getting everything on this outside and everything was not available with us, still we could really relish homemade hotel-like, restaurant-like food. And this is only due to the chefs who coordinated over here and taught us. So I can say now that Amul is a total culinary academy which has taught us all to become great chefs. Thank you, Amul, on the completion of 1,000 episodes and lovely recipes which we have learned. I have really learned great things over here. Cooking has always been a passion for me, but then trying everything was a bit difficult because the little nuances that chefs know, we did not know. But now we are familiar with those things. So thank you again for giving me this opportunity. Have a great day, everybody.
Thank you, Ms. Shweta, for your kind words. Now we go to San Diego, where Ms. Nupur is joining us.
Hi everyone, good morning, good night, good evening, wherever everyone is, because I know this is really global right now. But I would really like to thank Amul for having this amazing platform set out during quarantine for everyone to really engage and get into their kitchens more. And I'm here on behalf of Chef Aparna Kolarkar, and I genuinely really connected with her recipes. I thought they were really fun to follow along with. They were things that I could make as a youngster, just getting into the whole cooking situation now with quarantine. And being stuck at home with my roommates, it's been really fun to see what we can make that's not that difficult, doesn't require a million steps. And Chef Kolarkar actually made it really easy for us, because whenever we had questions during her live sessions, she would answer them right away. She would tell us substitutions that we can use, because being in the US, we don't get all the Amul products. Thankfully, we do get quite a lot. So it was fun to see what substitutions we can do and how we can make the recipes better. So it was a lot of fun. And I think stuff like this shouldn't just be a norm during quarantine. I think it would be great if we can keep this going beyond 1,000 episodes and maybe do 10,000 episodes, because it's definitely a great learning opportunity. It's something which everyone enjoys. I know for a fact that I love to cook now because of Chef Aparna, and it's been so much fun to watch these live sessions for all the other chefs as well. And I think Amul's initiative has been really cool. And yeah, it's been amazing, and I hope you guys keep doing this.
Thank you. Thank you, Nupur. Now we go to Mr. Kiran Patel from Dharampur, Valsad. Ms. Kiran Patel.
Please unmute.
हाँ, थैंक यू अमोल, आपने इस लॉकडाउन टाइम में इतना सिखाया, लाइव सेशन किया, और सब रेसिपी अच्छी थी। उसमें से शेफ शांता जी का बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, और आपका अमूल की प्रोडक्ट बहुत ही अच्छी है। बस थैंक यू अमूल, आपने ये स्टेज दिया हमको।
थैंक यू किरण जी। मैं अब मिस नमिता गुप्ता फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद उनको इनवाइट करूंगा।
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं नमिता अहमदाबाद से। शेफ मीनल मैनन ने मुझे इनवाइट किया है। शेफ मीनल मैनन की मैं बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ सर। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मुझे ये चांस मिला जो मैं आपसे बात कर पा रही हूँ। आई एम वेरी प्राउड। शेफ मीनल मैनन की हर रेसिपीज को मैं फॉलो करती हूँ, उनकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ। जब मैंने उन्हें अमूल लाइव सेशन में फेसबुक पर देखा तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हो गई। वो एक ऐसा लॉकडाउन पीरियड था जब हम सब लोग काफी स्ट्रेस में थे। अमूल लाइव सेशंस देखकर मुझे काफी अच्छा लगता था, क्योंकि कुकिंग मेरी हॉबी है। थैंक्स अमूल, जो उन्होंने एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म रखा जिस पर हमने इतने सारे शेफ को देखा और उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखा। एंड थैंक्स टू मीनल मैम टू, कि उन्होंने मुझे 1000 डे सेलिब्रेशन पर इनवाइट किया, और अमूल ने मेरी हॉबी और मेरी प्रोफेशन को बहुत इजी बना दिया इस अमूल लाइव सेशंस के थ्रू। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू सर।
बस थैंक यू नमिता जी। अभी हम इनवाइट करेंगे दलवाड़ी जी को अहमदाबाद से।
Hello everyone, I'm Muksha Dalwadi, and I always like to make different types of baking recipe. I'm one of the students of Chef मीनल मैनन, and she is invited, and I'm really thankful to her and Amul as well. We just came to know about this Amul live session through Chef मीनल मैनन. I'm just so excited. बस सुबह सुबह ये बनाना वो बनाना, मैम का फोन ये वो. I just love Amul products, and yeah, and it was really it was like lockdown period, So it was good, really activity and recipe from the different chefs all over the world. It's a good concept, Amul, I must say. It was wonderful and celebrating 1000 live episodes. It's a good. Thank you, Amul.
Thank you, Ms. Moksha. Now we'd like to speak with Ms. Veena Iyer from Mumbai.
Good morning, everyone. First and foremost, congratulations to Amul for the record-breaking 1000 plus in 16 weeks only. First and foremost, I thank Chef Bhavani, who is not just a chef but a nutritionist. So she gives a lot of importance to diet and nutrition. And she is my Desi girl chef because she uses a lot of Amul products and teaches us to eat mindfully. And Amul, as such, I have been a fan right from childhood. I used to eat Amul cheese just like that snacks. So, and Amul rocks always with ads too. Fantastic ads. So this also you have rocked, Amul, in this live session. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we'd like to speak with Ms. Supriya Sharma from Hyderabad.
Hello, Amul. Just want to congratulate to each and every one of you for completing and giving us 1000+ recipes. Also, I'm here on behalf of Chef Vaibhav Arora, who has given us so many new recipes during this pandemic situation. Even if the ingredients were not available, he has always given us some of the other alternative, which was really easy and accessible to all of us. Congratulations, and looking forward to have much more recipe coming along with us. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Supriya. We would like to next Mr. Gaurav Sharma from Mumbai is joining us. Now we'll go to Ms. Jessica James from Navi Mumbai. Jessica जी आप unmute कर लीजिए. We cannot hear you.
Yes, please speak. Yeah, please, Jessica ji. Yeah.
Can you speak? I think we are having some. We'll get back to you, Ms. Jessica. Ms. Jessica, we'll get back to you. We'll just check on your audio. Mr. Pratham Sehgal from Jalandhar is joining us.
Hello, everyone. I am audible?
Yeah. Please drop here. Hello, yeah.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Amul India, and I would like to thank Chef Sanjay Thakur and Chef Parinder Singh Rana, who has given me an opportunity to come on live sessions with Amul, and they have given me an opportunity to deal with to cook with Chef Thomas, and I'm a big fan of Chef Sanjay Thakur because he gave us a very nutritious recipes, and he tell us about how to reuse the things. Not waste anything. Like if he has peeled something, he can make stock from that also. I would like to thank Amul and Chef Sanjay Thakur and Chef Parinder Singh Rana once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pratham ji. Now we'd like to speak with Ms. Revati Rakesh from Varanasi.
Hello guys.
Hello, Ms. Revati.
I hope everybody is doing good during lockdown. I want to thank Amul firstly and congratulate them for completing 1000 episodes, live sessions with our amazing chefs, and hopefully it will go more. And special thanks to our own very coach. He's working in Hilton Garden Inn and Russell Khaimah in UAE as a head chef. Seeing his live sessions has very inspired me to start cooking. It's not only about he cook, he also is very engaging with his viewers. He give a substitute of if it's what is not available. He always give an alternative. If you see his videos, you will come to know there will be not even one negative comments on his session, which is quite commendable. And he's very presentable. He explains very well. I will suggest everybody to go and share his videos as well. You can go to his YouTube channel also, which is by the name of Ministry of Taste. And he's there. He's whichever recipes you're looking for, either it's dessert or even it's a main course, even it's a UAE cuisine. So it's easily available. It's just one word to hear from you, and he's ready to available. So many thanks to Chef and kudos to his great work. I hope it's keep going on, and many congratulations to Amul, and again thank you again to Chef Sarthak Kocha. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Revati. Now we would like to hear. Now we would like to speak, listen to the experiences shared by some of our chefs. We begin with Chef Sanjay Thakur.
Hi, hi everyone. Hope you guys can hear me. First of all, thank you, Amul,
Yes, we
for
can hear
this. Okay, thank you, Amul, for this lovely opportunity. I mean, it's great. You know, when I came to know that Amul is bringing out and giving this opportunity for the chefs, which is incredible, because most of the time it's all about TV shows, and the real chefs who are in the hotels, restaurants, they never get opportunity to come in front of the householder screens. So well done, Amul, on that. And I would like to mention, as Dr. Sodhi said in the beginning, who is managing director as well for Amul, that you know, starting your day with a glass of milk is all about fitness. It's all about that staying healthy and taking this message forward. I would say that, you know, we just don't cook to fill our stomachs, but we cook to, you know, give that necessary nutrition to our body, which we should all keep in our mind, and, you know, keep that message going on, that food is also a part of your daily nutrition, and we have to take it very seriously, not just by talking about it, but it should reflect in your body. And if it reflects perfectly fine, I mean, you know, all this COVID or pandemic situations we had recently, you will definitely come out very positive. वो आयुर्वेदा में बहुत ही एक फेमस सेइंग है कि आप या तो अपनी एक जीभ को जो इतने साइज की होती है उसको खुश रख सकते हैं, या फिर आपकी 5 या 6 फुट की जो बॉडी है उसको खुश रख सकते हैं. तो choice is yours, what you want to keep, you know, focus on. So thank you once again, Amul, for bringing us lovely products, which as a professionals we love using it in our professional kitchens, and it's definitely a definition what India represent, and bringing these lives from all over India across the globe. Amazing initiative. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Chef Sanjay. Now we'll once again try to connect with Miss Jessica James from Navi Mumbai. Jessica, hi, can you hear us?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, we can hear you. Please, please.
So a very good morning to all the wonderful people out here. I feel that these live sessions are something that we have been missing. And looking at all the wonderful chefs sharing their versions of simple homemade recipes by using nothing but ingredients and simple ingredients and dairy products by Amul. These live sessions are very different from per se the normal recipes that we put on YouTube, as they are in a more interactive way, which gives people a chance to clear their standing doubts about the recipes. And I thank Amul for giving me this opportunity to speak. And I have been invited by Chef Bimal. The main thing that I like about Chef Bimal sir is that one of his culinary skill is that he is very clear in his thinking and concepts, and marrying of different ingredients together, which I'm sure is going to create an explosion of taste. The benefit that I feel from these live sessions are that nothing in the kitchen goes waste, and all the leftovers can be converted into something tasty, healthy, yet nutritional dish. And we also learn that how to create a simple and an everyday dish with a creative and an innovational twist into it. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Jessica. Now we would like to speak with Chef Sarthak Kocha from UAE.
Hi everyone, myself Chef Sarthak Kocha. I'm working with Hilton Garden in Ras Al Khaimah. And thank you, Amul, for giving me this opportunity to come live and representing my country in Middle East. I have done almost 7 sessions with Amul, and I hope I have few more to do. And I have done midnight snacking. I have done the healthy drinks. I have done main course. Majority of the things was from Middle East. People in India, they can the team from. I'm really grateful to Amul for giving me this opportunity, and I hope you guys will be liking my sessions, and I will be coming again and again with Amul. And I just want to tell one thing, that previously most of the people, they don't know about Amul in Middle East, specifically from the different nationalities. But now everybody knows Amul, and they call me as Amul chef in the hotel, and everybody knows about that Amul. It's a taste of India. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chef Sarthak, for your love and support. We would like to now speak with Chef Vimal Dhar, who is joining us from Udaipur. Hello, sir.
Hi. नमस्कार. This is Chef
Hello.
Vimal Dhar. नमस्कार सोनी साहब. और अमूल नमस्कार जी. और अमूल के प्लेटफॉर्म पर जुड़े हुए सारे जो हमारे दोस्त हैं, द टॉप मैनेजमेंट, Manu, Abhishek, and those who were actually very nicely coordinating everything. मुझे याद है जो हमने एक क्विकेस्ट सेशन किया था, मेरी शेफ वरिंदर से बात हुई थी, एंड देन वी डिसाइडेड कि that gave me also an inspiration कि एक गेस्ट भी करके देखते हैं, and we did it very nice. और हम मैकन स्टाइल का अच्छा बनाया, जिसमें we did some interesting combinations, and I'm sure काफी लोगों ने उसको अप्रिशिएट. सबसे बड़ी चीज ये है कि हमारे घर में मेरी वाइफ, शी इज ऑल्सो ए शेफ, संगीता धर. हमारे बच्चे, दे लव कुकिंग, एंड इट इज सो फन यूजिंग अमूल प्रोडक्ट्स. छोटे थे तब से याद है, और आज तो ऐसा फील होता है कि इट्स सच अ बिग फैमिली विच हैज गॉन ऑनलाइन. डिजिटल हो गए हम सारे, एक दूसरे को हम देख पा रहे हैं, सुन पा रहे हैं, विच इज द बेस्ट थिंग विच हैज बुरा नहीं किया हमारे साथ. हमको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दी, हम सब साथ जुड़ सके और अपने देश के प्रोडक्ट को लोकल को हम वोकल बना सके. सो आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग व्हिच हैज हैपेंड. काफी लोगों से जान पहचान हुई, काफी फैंस बने. मैं तो ऐसा कहता हूँ, मैं आपका फैन हूँ, बिकॉज देख रहे हैं आप हमको अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. सो दैट्स अ बिगेस्ट ब्लेसिंग. सो थैंक्स टू एवरीवन इन टोटलिटी. जेसिका ने भी अभी कुछ अच्छी बातें करी. शेफ सार्थक डिड spoke so well. Chef Mr. Sodhi, in the entire panel, I really would like to thank you all for giving us this opportunity. उदयपुर में बैठ के हम इतनी सारी बढ़िया चीजें, उनके प्रोडक्ट्स हम यूज कर पा रहे हैं, और इतने सारे शेफ से हमारी खुद की हमारा टच भी छूट गया था. We were so busy in our lives. Amul has given us that opportunity to connect with them again back, and we are in this mainstream again. So the best thing. So Amul taste of India तो है ही, मतलब I think जान बन गया है इंडिया की और विश्व की. So congratulations, many congratulations आप सभी को, और हम सब जो साथ में जुड़े हैं उसके लिए भी बहुत बधाई. मैं चाहूंगा मनु जी, या तो हम वत्सला जी को, प्रभु को इनवाइट करें. शी इज अ गुड फैन एंड शी लाइक्स अमूल. शी हैज बीन a regular viewer of all our sessions. तो प्रिया जी हैं, there are many. मैं किस का नाम लूं, मेरे लिए I think मुश्किल होगा. So आप जिसको भी लेना चाहें, I think you can take them and invite and talk about Amul and the products, their experience. So thank you so much, Sodhi Saab and the entire Amul team. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Vimal ji. Of course, sir, we will now connect with Ms. Vatsala.
Hello, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank Amul and congratulate them. Amul definitely is our favorite. Amul's butter I can't even imagine any other brand butter, because sometimes we were not getting, and I totally refused to say I don't want to eat butter other than Amul. Fresh cream and Amul butter. These are our favorite brand things. And thank you so much, Chef Vimal Dhar. The way you explain your recipes and all. Actually, earlier I was not very fond of cooking. I used to say, "Chalo, theek hai, khana bana lete." But thank you so much, Amul. During this COVID, you have totally changed our cooking style, and thank you, Vimal Dhar, Saurav Chef. Like I was feeling like it is very difficult to cook, but now I can easily say it's very easy to cook. The way you all have given us small tips, and now I think even I would like to tell my daughter to share her experience. She was in MasterChef Junior category. She is also fan of you, Chef Vimal and Amol.
Hello everyone, this is Devyani. I'm really grateful to you, Chef Vimal, for teaching us such amazing recipes. Like, I really love the traditional style you put into the fusion you made with the chilas and stuff, veggies. It was really amazing. Everyone loved it at home. It was really quick recipes. It was really good to learn. And I'm really thankful for Amul for connecting with so many chefs so that we could learn so many new things. I had an interest in this, but this made me more interested in cooking, and I could learn a lot of recipes. Really thankful to Amul and Chef Vimal. Thanks.
Congratulations once again, and thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Our identity, we have changed, like I mean, the way of cooking. Plus now her kitchen, we have given her different kitchen, and her kitchen is changed with lot of different crockeries, plating things, and small tip, and definitely stuff has changed. Amul has taken a lot of space in our kitchen. Thank you, Amul, for keeping the best quality. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Vatsala and Ms. Devyani. Now we travel to Italy, where we are joined by Mr. Alessandro. Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I hope everybody can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
We can, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
first of all, yes, greeting from Italy. It's a beautiful day today. And I want to thank Amul for this amazing initiative, which started 4 or 5 months ago. To be honest, at the beginning, I was not sure, because after 11 years in India, I ingredient which using from Amul, butter, sometimes ghee or cheese. I'm Italian. I use only this particular. But in this 4 or 5 last month of quarantine, no only we enjoy to do recipe from home, or from, like me, I was living in the hotel, so we do recipe from the hotel, but also was a good companion during this quarantine, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the night. Was always, you was opening Facebook, and was always something to follow, some nice recipe. And I had to be honest, I've been 11 years in India, and I love India. But the best time I had was the last 4 months, last 4 or 5 months. It's incredible. But during the lockdown, because all of this, I even start cook some Indian dish just because I saw through Amul channel. And I had to admit, then you guys been for sure best in India, because was nothing else which was comparable with what you guys did, and also give so many opportunity all over the world. In fact, tomorrow also I will do a recipe from my house here in Italy, and incredibly I managed to find in a store a small piece of Amul cheese, which I thank God, because I have a nice recipe to do tomorrow. And Nati, I just want to thank Amul for whatever done to me, my friends. I was working in Grand Diet, so I put together many chefs to do their own personal recipe. Nati, now I'm in Italy. I miss India. I've been 11 years there. Half of my heart is there. I hope one day to come back and continue with you guys and do other recipe. And Nati, I thank everyone. Thank Amul for this fantastic opportunity which give to everyone. And nothing what else to say. Namaskar.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you, Chef Alessandro. We definitely hope to see you back in India soon.
That's for sure. I want to come back. See, they say
Thank you, sir.
After you come to India, you cannot live without, you know.
Thank you,
India is
sir.
India.
Thank you, Chef Alessandro. Now we would like to speak with Chef Anjali Ramswamy. She's been part of Amul MasterChef India and grooming a lot of master chefs herself.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much, Amul, for having me. Thank you, Sodiji. Thank you, Jayan sir, Manu, Abhishek, everybody. It's lovely being part of Amul. I've been a part of Amul for a very long time now. 3 seasons of MasterChef and then this as well. But actually, come to think of it, Amul has been a part of my life since I was maybe about 2 years old. So whether it was the milk, the cheese, whatever, it's always been a part of our life. And it's been lovely. This opportunity that Amul brought around during this pandemic was amazing. The way somebody else said that it shouldn't stop here, it shouldn't stop at these 10,000 videos, it should continue because you guys are doing a fantastic job. How convenient, how well organized it was, how everything was so well planned. The way we communicated with all the chefs at home chefs as they call themselves, how happy they were looking at the videos, how much they learned, everything was fantastic. In fact, I would like to say that it was a huge experience for us chefs as well because, you know, as we're always in the back end, even for me, when I make the shows, I get people to do things, but then making myself stand in front of the camera and do things itself felt amazing. You guys gave us opportunities to move around as well, not just with Amul, but with so many other people. They saw us on Amul, and most of our chefs got so many more opportunities because at the end of the day, during this pandemic, we were all sitting at home. You kept us sane, actually. You know, we were all going insane thanks to these times, but you kept us sane, happy, kept our tummies happy, kept our imaginations going. It was really, really nice. Thank you so much. With all my heart, I would like to thank Amul, thank all those people who watched us, all of those who communicated, all of those who stayed in touch with us even after finishing so many of your lives. The Guinness World Record, the Limca World Records, what all you guys created, such imaginative, such great potential that Amul has. I think you guys were fantastic. Thank you for everything.
Thank you, Chef Anjali. Now we'll go to Varanasi, where we are joined by Chef Ravikant Pathak. Chef Ravikant, hi.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yeah, we can hear you.
Very good afternoon to Director sir and all the team of Amul. Varghese sir, Manu sir, and a special thanks to Chef Sangeeta Dharji, who she introduced me when this concept was going on, and Chef Vimal Dharji. I'm very much honored, and I feel very great to be part of this initiative that Amul has inculcated within the country among the chefs and the home cooks. It was fantastic to be part. We also learned during these sessions to be, let us be very frank, when I cook, obviously, you know, India is a very diverse country. So when we started cooking, we used to get, you know, sometimes advices, why don't you try this? So I think the home cooks, they also, you know, played very important part, and it is always about improving and curating out of the craft something which is really amazing. I really thank so much, and I thank all of them who they watched us live, and I think this shall continue. It was fantastic to be part of it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chef Ravikant. Now we will be joined by Chef Akshay Malhotra. Hi, sir.
Hello, am I
Hi, Chef
audible?
Akshay, can you hear me? Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Hello,
Sir, we can
am I
hear
audible?
you. Yes, sir. Hello,
Hey
Chef
guys,
Akshay, we
thank
can
you,
hear you.
Amol, for this opportunity, this brilliant opportunity which brought the whole community together. Cheers again. Cheers again, Amol. And we had a lot of fun doing these videos. It brought the community together, and apart from that, it kept us sane, and it reintroduced milk into the mainstream, which had kind of changed over the past so many years. So thank you again. Cheers, and hope to be back soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Chef Akshay. Now we will be joined by Miss Ivy Boyce from Shillong. Hi, ma'am. Can you hear us? Ma'am, your audio is
just unmute.
Hello, I'm Ivy from the cloud-capped hills of Meghalaya, Shillong. So glad to meet you again. To be a part of Amul Life has been an enriching experience. Now, this unique platform has helped me to showcase my passion, my talent to viewers spread across different countries and across different continents as well, which I think otherwise would have been a little difficult for a home chef like me. And besides that, the Amul Live shows also enabled, personally, I think for me, to boost my confidence and morale, because I was cooking live and answering to queries simultaneously, which was a very different experience altogether. And I also got a chance actually to learn a lot of new innovative recipes from the other chef of the same of Amul show, Amul Live. So I had a very great time with Amul, and I congratulate Amul on completion of 1,000 shows of Amul Live recipes, and I feel proud and a bit proud and honored also to be a part of this incredible, beautiful journey. Thank you, Amul. Stay blessed.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now we head back to Mumbai, where we are joined by Chef Tushar Malkani. No? Okay. We'll now go and connect with Chef Dheeraj Tomar, who is joining us from US. We'll connect with him shortly. We are now joined by Chef Ira. Chef Ira, yeah. Ma'am, can you hear us?
Hello everyone. Thanks to Amul. सबसे पहले मैं अमूल को थैंक यू करना चाहूंगी कि मुझे इनवाइट किया। यहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारे लाइव सेशंस दिए, तो उन्होंने कितना अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा। डेली हमें हर शेफ से बहुत ही अच्छी रेसिपीज सीखने को मिलती थी। शेफ अंजलि, शेफ मुरली सर, शेफ वरिंदर राणा सर के साथ कई सेशंस किए। शेफ अंजलि को मैंने फॉलो किया, उनकी रेसिपीज को फॉलो किया, लिटरली बहुत ही अच्छी होती थी। हर शेफ से सेशन सीखने को मिला। मैंने खुद के भी कुछ सेशंस दिए, लोगों के बहुत ही अच्छे कमेंट्स आते थे। साथ ही मैं थैंक्स करना चाहूंगी मनु जी का, अभिषेक इन्होंने हर समय बड़ी हेल्प करी। हर सेशन मैंने कुक विद शेफ किया था, उसमें बहुत अच्छा रहा। अभिषेक बहुत ही अच्छे से, मतलब जो आपका कुक टुगेदर होता है उसमें बहुत ही अच्छे से मैनेज करते हैं, क्योंकि हम अमूल को तो बचपन से ही सुनते आ रहे हैं। जब भी कोई नाम आता है अमूल द टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया, अमूल अटरली बटरली डिलीशियस बटर पे याद करते हैं। चाहे मैं एक बच्चे हों तो हमेशा सबसे पहले यही आता है अटेंड मेरे साथ लाइव सेशन को फॉलो किया बहुत अच्छे से आशीष चावला जी मैं कहूँगी अभिषेक एक बार आप उन्हें कनेक्ट करिए.
Sure, ma'am. Ashish Chavla, we'll connect with him. Ashish Mishra, is he the same? Sure. Ashish Chavla, not yet joined. I think we'll join him again, ma'am. I think he's not yet connected. We'll join him again.
Hello.
Hello. This is Ashish Chavla.
Anji. Hello.
Ashish Chavla. Yeah, one second, sir. We'll bring you on the screen. Yeah, we can hear you, sir.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Yeah, we can hear you, Chavla.
Myself Ashish Chavla from Meerut. मैं अमूल का शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगा क्योंकि उन्होंने हमें एक इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है, एक अच्छी रेसिपीज के थ्रू जो है, जिसमें उन्होंने अपने 1000 एपिसोड कंप्लीट करे हैं विद इन 16 वीक्स के अंदर. और साथ ही साथ में शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगा किचन ऑफ फ्लेवर्स की फाउंडर ईरा भार्गव सिंघल जी का, क्योंकि उन्हीं के थ्रू हम इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे पहुंच पाए हैं जिसमें अमूल के साथ हम जुड़ पाए हैं. और मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगा कि हमें जो लाइव सेशन हमने करे हैं उसमें शेफ वीरेंद्र सिंह राणा जी का बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट रहा है. उनकी जो रेसिपीज हैं अट्टा पनीर वाली, शेफ विमल धर, शेफ ईरा भार्गव सिंघल जी की जो रेसिपी स्पिनिच कॉर्न चीज कटलेट की जो थी, शेफ गौरव की, तो मैं उन सबका बहुत शुक्रिया. मेरा ओन रेस्टोरेंट है मेरठ के अंदर चावला जी किचन से. मुझे साथ ही साथ इस अपने जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस लिया है इस फील्ड में, उसके अलावा मुझे जो नई नई और रेसिपीज मिली हैं, इस रेसिपीज को मैं आगे अपने रेस्टोरेंट में और प्रेफर करता हूँ कस्टमर्स को. तो मैं इन सब के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया करना चाहूंगा अमूल का, क्योंकि उन्होंने हमें इस लाइव सेशन में अपने साथ जोड़ा. और मैं तो पिछले कम से कम 14-15 सालों से ही अमूल के प्रोडक्ट इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ. ऑलरेडी पहले एक ग्रोसरी शॉप है. थैंक यू करना चाहूंगा अमूल को.
थैंक यू चावला जी फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स. मैं अब यहाँ से विल नॉट बी जॉइंड बाय शेफ विश्वदीप बाली. Hello, sir.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Anji, you're audible, Vishdeep ji.
Hello, sir. A very, very good afternoon. And I must say, I must congratulate Amul India that it has been a phenomenal journey. You know, connecting people from the globe, the chefs, the food enthusiasts, and the people who even, you know, just scroll around. I think it's the best thing where we can do, what I feel is we made a global village out of it. So Amul Live Sessions has been more of an encyclopedia of online cooking recipes where, you know, chefs have performed right in front of the live cameras. There is always a difference between, the live cameras and recording recipes otherwise, where we take breaks, we do corrections. But I think this has been phenomenally honest and the pure kind of, achievement that Amul has. And I wish in another, say, 6 months, we'll touch 10,000 recipes the way we're going. It's amazing. I must congratulate and thank you so much for, providing the platform for the chefs, and even for the food aspirants to, get online and live. And I could see a lot of excitement among people doing all this. And I would like to invite Lalit Nair to, speak about his experience of what he saw in the live sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We'll now be joined by Mr. Lalit Nair.
Hi, are you?
Hello, sir. Can you hear us?
Yes. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. And this is Lalit Nair. By the profession, I'm a wedding planner, and I'm a big-time foodie. And you Punjabis are, always a food lovers. And I must congratulate this Amul India for creating a huge amount of the live sessions. I believe that I think it's a world record. And one of my favorite chef, Vishwdeep Bali, what a chef he is. And his recipe, I really love his recipe, that paneer shashlik and that yummy salsa sauce, what it was. So thank you Chef Bali for inviting me over here. And thanks Amul India for creating this encyclopedia recipes. And thank you once again. Ciao.
Thank you, Mr. Lalit. We'll now be joined by Ms. Sharmila Moses. Yes, ma'am. Can you hear us?
Yeah, very good afternoon. And thank you, Amul, for giving me a platform to speak this afternoon. I must congratulate you for your terrific episodes, and it's indeed a great achievement, a phenomenal achievement to complete 1,000 episodes. These cook-alongs are very, very useful for homemakers like us. And I have been invited by one of my favorite chefs, Chef Dave, who's the executive chef of Hyatt Regency Chennai. I must say I thoroughly enjoyed his culinary demos. I myself do a lot of demos, so I know the hard work which is involved. He was absolutely organized and focused on his demo. He did not speak unnecessarily, and he made his recipe very practical. I've tried his recipes and they come out very well. And he has made use of Amul products, and the techniques used were indeed wonderful. I must congratulate that the recipe was practical, the techniques were so useful, and I thank Amul for creating a platform for such chefs to participate and share with so much and a varied audience of their skills and culinary talents. I wish Amul the very best and continue to make use of such chefs who will impart a great deal of knowledge and make it a better place to live in. Thank you.
Good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words.
Thank you.
We'd like to now be joined by Chef Devesh Vadhera from Delhi. Hi, sir.
Hi, this is Chef Devesh from Crown Plaza, Mayur Vihar, and I would heartfelt share my thanks to Amul for creating this platform wherein we were all given a chance to come to this platform and reach big masses. Not only this, they have also improved a talent which is always inside a chef, and they have helped us to bring it out. Because cooking live and that too reaching such a big number was always a showmanship program, and we had a determination to reach people with accurate and true recipes. Many times when we are working in our professional fields, we try to mix and match the recipes according to the taste buds of the crowd. But this platform not only gave us an opportunity to reach the masses, but also made us popular amongst the society. Many of my IAG fraternity guests, those who were missing us, appreciated the initiative by Amul, and 1,000 is just one milestone of episodes which Amul has reached. I wish them all the best for many more coming ahead. Thanks once again from Crown Plaza, Mayur Vihar. This is Chef Devesh, and I'm the executive chef, and would definitely promise to do more such shows and initiatives with Amul. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. We'll now be joined by Ms. Neelu Kaura. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Can you, ma'am, you're
kindly unmute.
Hello, ma'am. Can you? Your voice is not clear, ma'am. We'll get back to you.
Just unmute it again.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, we can hear you now. We can hear you.
Good afternoon, all of you. सबसे पहले तो मैं 1000 एपिसोड्स पर आपको बिग कांग्रेचुलेट करना चाहती हूँ. मेरे पास 1000 वर्ड्स नहीं है एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए, और मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे आप लोगों, मतलब ये जो हम एपिसोड आज देख रहे हैं, मुझे लगता है कि आज लोग हमारे फैन बन गए हैं, लेकिन हम पहले बहुत सारे लोग शेफ्स के हम फैन थे, और आपका ही ये क्रेडिट आपको जाता है कि आपने बहुत सारे लोगों को हमारा फैंस बनाया, लोगों को हमें लोगों के घरों तक पहुंचाने के लिए, लोगों का हमारा फैंस बनाने के लिए. लेकिन एक बात मैं और कहना चाहती हूँ, हम कुकिंग तो हमने लोगों के साथ अपनी डिशेज, अपनी रेसिपी शेयर तो जरूर की, लेकिन अमूल के साथ जुड़कर हमने अपने आप को भी बहुत इम्प्रूव किया. जब भी हमारा सेशन आने वाला होता था तो हम अपनी प्लेटिंग के बारे में सोचते थे, हमने आज ऐसे प्लेटिंग करके दिखानी, क्योंकि बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स हमें देखने वाले हैं, बहुत सारे लोग तक हमारी रेसिपी जाने वाली है, तो हम उनको अपना बेस्ट दे पाए. और उसी चीज को लेकर हमने अपने आप को बहुत इम्प्रूव किया. ये सारा क्रेडिट हम देना चाहती हूँ मैं अमूल की टीम को, अभिषेक जी को, मनु जी को. ये आप लोग हमारे साथ जुड़े मतलब मुझे लगता है कि हम आप लोगों के साथ जुड़े हैं। और एक बात सोडी सर, मैं आपको एक बात पूछना चाहती हूँ। हम लोग बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं अटरली बटरली डिलीशियस, वो क्यूट सी गर्ल हमारे इमेज हमारे हमेशा स्टार्टिंग से ही रही है, बचपन से ही हमारे साथ रही है। आप मुझे ये बताएंगे कि वो जो क्यूट सी गर्ल है अभी तक बड़ी क्यों नहीं हुई है, वो छोटी सी इतनी लिटिल गर्ल क्यों है? लेकिन मैं यही अपनी विशेष देना चाहती हूँ कि वो लिटिल गर्ल, वो लिटिल जो है आपका लकी चार्म है, वो 1000 इयर्स तक आपके साथ ऐसे ही रहे। 1000 इयर्स आप लोग ऐसे ही सबके साथ सेलिब्रेट करते रहे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एवरीथिंग। थैंक यू अमूल। अमूल शब्द तो कहते हैं संस्कृत से आता है, लेकिन एक बात मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि अमूल ने एक क्वारंटाइन में हमें अमूल्य टाइम दिया है लोगों के साथ जुड़ने के लिए। थैंक यू अमूल फॉर एवरीथिंग। थैंक यू सो मच। मैं इनवाइट करना चाहती हूँ अपने साथ अलका जी को और मीता बर्मन जी को, अगर पॉसिबल हो सकता है तो।
जी मैम, we'll just join Miss Alka, Miss Geeta Burman. Ma'am, शायद उनका we're not able to connect them. We'll search for them and join back sometime.
Okay, no issue.
Next मैं chef.
थैंक यू नीलू जी। आपने बोला कि अमूल गर्ल जो है बड़ी नहीं हुई। ऐसा नीलू जी, आप और मैं कितने भी बड़े हो जाए, अपने मदर के लिए और अपने फादर के लिए अभी भी वो छोटे ही हैं। वो अभी भी आपको पेट नाम से बुलाते हैं। तो जिनको हम बहुत प्यार करते हैं उनको हम अभी भी वो बचपन का एक स्वरूप रहता है। और इतना प्यार अमूल गर्ल को मिल रहा है कि वो चाहती नहीं कि बड़ी हो। फिर बड़े हो के वो हमारे जैसे बच्चे जो मन के अच्छे होते हैं तो वही रहे तो अच्छी बात है।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Now we'll be connecting with Chef Varinder Singrana. Meanwhile, we'll connect with Chef Samiksha Agarwal.
जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल समीक्षा जी, बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह आवाज आ रही है।
तो जितना शुक्रिया किया जाए बहुत कम है, क्योंकि पिछले दिनों जब अमूल से हम जब एक नोटिफिकेशन आता है ना आपके पे अमूल लाइव, एक्साइटमेंट होती है कि क्या बनने वाला है, शेफ क्या बनाने वाले हैं, क्या हम सीखने वाले हैं, प्लेटिंग भी होगी। समटाइम आप रिवाइंड में भी उसको फॉरवर्ड करके देखते हो, बहुत कुछ नया सीखते हो। मुझे लगता है अभी हम मुझसे यहाँ सीखती दिखाएंगे। जब अमूल जिस दिन आपका सेशन होता है, रात को आपको एक्समेंट हमारे नींद नहीं आती है, बहुत आप सोचते हैं अपने दिल में कि उसके बाद ऐसा करना होगा, ये करके दिखाएंगे और बैठ के दिखाएंगे, लास्ट सेशन जैसा किया था उसका करेंगे। जब आफ्टर सेशन के पास रील्स आती हैं, समटाइम मैसेंजर इनबॉक्स की रेसिपीज के बारे में पूछा जाता है, आपका नंबर आपसे पूछा जाता है कि आपसे कैसे जुड़ सकते हैं, तो पता चलता है कि एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे जहाँ पर आप खड़े, वो प्लेटफॉर्म आपको क्या क्या दे रहा है, कि इंस्पिरेशन दे। अमूल का मेरे ख्याल से एक लाइन नहीं है, एक आशा है, उम्मीद है, क्योंकि हर किसी के लिए पैंडेमिक टाइम में बहुत मुश्किल हो गया था, एक्टिविटी बहुत लगी थी, लेकिन इतने पॉजिटिव सेंस के बाद, न्यू इंस्पिरेशन बाद एक नई स्माइल सबके फेस पर आई है जो अमूल ने दी है। Congratulations for 1000 episodes. This is not a easy number. बहुत टफ होता है, बहुत हार्ड होता है इसके। और हम जानते हैं मनु जी, अभिषेक जी जिन जुड़े हुए हैं, मतलब दिन हमारा सेशन होता है, उस पहले मॉर्निंग सारी डिटेल भेजना, एक एक चीज के बारे में बताना, बहुत टफ है। और अमूल ने करके दिखाया। आई डोंट थिंक कि कोई और ये करेगा। और हो एज आई बिलोंग टू माय पेज और को शेफ्स के साथ भी लाइव सेंस करती रहती हूँ। डिफिकल्टी होती है समझा पाना, आना, हर चीज कर। कुक टुगेदर शेफ के साथ वाला सेशन है जो अमूल की तरफ से है, वो बहुत ही अनोखा है और बहुत ही एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म ने दिया है जहाँ इतने सारे लोग एक साथ जुड़ते हैं और फिर एक साथ कुक करते हैं। वही नमक जब आप डालते हैं, सब एक साथ डालते हैं, प्यार डालते हैं हमें, तो अच्छी रेसिपी नहीं, बहुत ही सच्ची रेसिपी कल करके आती है। छोटी बात शेयर करना चाहूंगी। आई लाइक 7 year old, मेरे घर में गेस्ट आए थे एंड मम्मा ने मुझे एक अमूल बटर एक पूरा पैक 100 ग्राम्स वाला और बोला कि जाके रखो गेस्ट के आगे, मैं उसको प्लेट में लेके जा, आई हैव अ फोटो, वो प्लेट में लेके जा रही हूँ, ईटिंग द मक्खन, मैं उसे अमूल बटर खाती जा रही हूँ। जब मैं टेबल तक पहुंची हूँ तो वो लिटरली हाफ हो चुका था। और अभी मुझे दिन जब याद आती, क्योंकि मेरी डॉटर 5 year old एंड इज डन द सेम, फ्रिज में से बटर डालती है और ऐसे ही स्पून से उस लिटरली खा जाए। इसीलिए लगता है शेड्यूल ने जब से अभी कहा कि वो गर्ल भी नहीं है, वो गर्ल कड़ी हुई नहीं, क्योंकि अमूल बताया है बेटियां, तो बेटी के साथ जो है वो गर्ल हर भी बड़ी जाएगी, लेकिन एक नई बेटी आएगी। तो अमूल अपनी जन्म में यू ना करे, कांट बी पॉसिबल, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता। अमूल के प्रोडक्ट के बिना एक अच्छी रेलम बन नहीं पाता है। आप कोई भी ले लो, जरूर होता है, अमूल दूध हो, मन हो, कि उसके बिना नहीं हो पाता। Hats off to our team, hats off to Amul, congratulations. 10th of us को अमूल के साथ, हम 6 के साथ हैं कुक टुगेदर फॉर चैरिटी, जिसमें हम 1000 एक साथ करने वाले हैं। We are giving a food to underprivileged people. अगर आप सब भी ज्वाइन देंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। Thank you so much Manu, thank you so much Sheikh ji, and thank you so much Amul team. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We are now joined by Chef Weber Bhargav from Delhi. Hi, sir. Can you hear us? Sir, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही? Sir, can yeah,
we can hear you.
Thank you, sir.
First of all, good afternoon to everyone, and thank you, Amul, so much for bringing everyone together in this quarantine time. Because मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जब सब खाली बैठे थे और सब लोगों के अंदर एक कुकिंग का, मैं कहूँगा, कीड़ा था, जब एवरीबडी वाज नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग, तो ये एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म उस वक्त अमूल ने क्रिएट किया, जब एवरीबडी, ऑल द शेफ्स, all the homemakers, all the food enthusiasts, all are together, and उन्होंने एक कोशिश की जहाँ पे वो सारे लोगों को इकट्ठा लेके आए। और what we have seen is the greatest recipes. अगर हम देखें इन 1000 recipes को, अगर आज की डेट में हम बात करते हैं, I think Amul has created one of the finest. I think it would be a suggestion, Amul, for them, ki why don't you create a great cookbook out of it, because you have such great recipes from there. I think it could be a benchmark, and I would like to thank Sumit ji and Abhishek and the team, of course, who connected me to the Amul team, and who gave us such a great platform, जहाँ पे we have connected with our lot of audience, of course, the Amul. और जैसे सभी ने कहा, we all are fans of Amul. Of course, Amul is not from today. It has been a part of our journey as a childhood. Butter हो, चाहे दूध हो, चाहे दही हो, I think it is always it's always been a part. So वो हमेशा रहेगा. But what commendable, I would say, from Amul team is that how beautifully it has come together and how you have connected each and everyone. और आपने इस क्वारंटाइन टाइम में सबको इतना एंगेज करके रखा है, जैसे कि मेरे फेलो फ्रेंड्स ने, समीक्षा जी ने बोला, या विश्वदीप बाली शेफ ने बोला, that it is bringing together. और सबकी क्रिएटिविटी, एक उत्सुकता रहती है जब भी आप एक लाइफ पे जा रहे होते हैं, एक आपके अंदर एक आपको एक एक्साइटमेंट रहती है कि ओके यार, वी आर डूइंग लाइव, कोई गलती ना हो जाए, एंड वी वांट टू शोकेस द बेस्ट ऑफ अवर रेसिपीज, जो कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग बना सकें, जो ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग अपने घर के अंदर नई चीजें एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकें, और उसको डिफरेंट स्लॉट्स में, जो जिसमें कि आपने मिडनाइट स्नैक्स भी किए, कुछ डेजर्ट से भी हमने बनाए. तो आई थिंक द वैरायटी, द वाइड वैरायटी जो अमूल के प्रोडक्ट से हमें देखने को मिली, और द वे वी, द होल इंडिया हैज कम टुगेदर एंड शोड द डिफरेंट वर्जन्स ऑफ how you can utilize the ingredients. I think that is the way forward, कि आप एक ingredient से किस तरीके से इतनी सारी recipes बना सकते हैं. I think that is what we are really proud as chefs, all on behalf of every chef. I would like to say that we are really proud to be associated with Amul, and would love to continue in the future, whenever Amul feels that we are there, and we always be there to support. So thank you so much, every member who helped us and during this quarantine time from Amul team, and thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your kind words. We are now coming to the end of this meeting, and I would like to now invite Shri Bharat Patel to kindly give the vote of thanks. Camera thing.
Thank you, everyone. I would like to mention special thanks to all the chefs and fans and other viewers who have participated in this event as well as this show today. I would also like to thank our MD, CEO sir and SGM sirs for allowing us for this event. I would also like to thank all our sales team, including our OICs, our officers, Manu, Mr. Khushru, Pawan, Shashank, Sumit, Mehul, Suresh, Violina, and my colleagues here at Abhishek and Vishwajit, as well as all our branch managers and our zonal in charge who are sitting there, and also our distributors who have supported as and when required. I would also like to thank Facebook for helping us to connect all of you. And I would also like to thank our ad agencies, Absolulka, Lodestar, as well as Shape, who have created all your wonderful posts that you have shared with your fans to invite them to watch the shows. And I would like to thank everybody if I have missed anyone, all the viewers, all the chefs. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Until we meet again for the next session.
Thank you. Thank you everybody. All the best.
Thank
All
you.
the best. Thank you. Good job.